The era of writing code line by line is dead. In 2026, modern programming is about auditing complex, machine-generated logic rather than building it from scratch. We're exploring how intent orchestration is replacing syntax, and whether this massive shift is making us better architects or just lazier thinkers in the long run. We are entering a phase where software development is no longer defined by the manual construction of syntax, but by the orchestration of intent through AI systems that generate, refine, and optimize code in real time. The modern developer is shifting away from being a line-by-line builder of logic and becoming a supervisor of machine-generated systems. This shift raises a fundamental question. If AI writes most of the code, what happens to human problem-solving skills? The traditional coder is rapidly becoming less relevant in its old form because boilerplate generation, once a major part of daily programming, is now handled instantly by neural completion systems. Tasks like setting up frameworks, writing repetitive functions, and structuring APIs are increasingly automated. This removes the need to manually type semicolons, brackets, and repetitive patterns, and instead pushes developers toward defining high-level logic and system behavior. This transition changes the nature of thinking required. Instead of focusing on syntax accuracy, developers now focus on intent clarity. The struggle is no longer, how do I write this correctly, but what exactly do I want this system to do? The cognitive load moves upward from implementation details to architectural decisions. By 2026, advanced AI models have already reshaped the developer's role from a digital mason, carefully placing each line of code, into a software architect responsible for validating entire systems constructed by AI. The developer is no longer the primary builder, but the designer, reviewer, and strategist. However, this shift introduces a hidden danger: passive acceptance. When AI produces working code instantly, there is a growing risk that developers stop questioning it. This can lead to a loss of deep debugging ability, where engineers accept outputs without fully understanding the underlying logic. Over time, this weakens the ability to trace failures, identify edge cases, and understand system foundations. This is where the erosion of fundamental problem-solving skills becomes a real concern. As delivery speed increases, there is pressure to prioritize shipping over comprehension. The danger is not that developers will stop coding, but that they will stop deeply understanding what is being coded. To counter this, maintaining technical sharpness is essential. Even in an AI-driven workflow, developers must deliberately engage with hard problems manually from time to time. Solving algorithmic challenges, reviewing raw implementations, and debugging without AI assistance helps preserve cognitive resilience. Without this discipline, dependency on AI can quietly replace mastery with superficial familiarity. At the same time, the role of the developer is evolving into what can be described as a reviewer-in-chief. Instead of writing everything from scratch, the core value lies in reviewing AI-generated code, identifying subtle bugs, and detecting hallucinated logic that appears correct but fails under edge cases. This requires a different kind of expertise, less about typing speed, more about critical judgment. Mastering the deep audit becomes a critical skill in this environment. A deep audit means thoroughly validating AI-generated systems against security requirements, business rules, performance constraints, and unpredictable real-world scenarios. It is not enough for code to run. It must be verified as correct, safe, and aligned with intent. This leads to an important realization. The most critical skill today is not writing code, but verifying code. Anyone can generate functional software with AI assistance. The differentiator is whether you can ensure that what was generated is actually correct, robust, and scalable. One of the major advantages of this shift is the massive time savings. Developers are no longer spending weeks on repetitive implementation. Instead, they can focus on high-level system design, cross-platform integration, distributed architecture, and user experience optimization. This elevates the role of engineering from execution-heavy work to strategic problem-solving. As a result, junior developers today are building complex microservices in days that previously required entire senior teams months to complete. This acceleration is not because foundational complexity disappeared, but because AI handles much of the structural scaffolding that used to consume development time. There are already real-world examples where breakthrough projects were only possible because humans were freed from syntax-level constraints. Teams are now rapidly prototyping scalable systems, testing architectural ideas, and iterating at speeds that were previously impossible. The bottleneck is no longer coding speed, it is decision-making clarity. This fundamentally redefines professional value in software engineering. The barrier to technical execution has dropped significantly. Writing code is no longer rare or exclusive. What matters now is the ability to guide systems, evaluate outputs, and make correct architectural decisions under uncertainty. This is also why prompt engineering as a standalone concept is fading. It was a transitional idea. The real long-term skill is orchestration leadership, the ability to coordinate multiple AI systems, define constraints, validate outputs, and steer machine intelligence toward reliable outcomes. It is less about crafting perfect prompts and more about managing entire workflows of automated reasoning. In this new environment, developers must prepare for a career where the primary competition is no longer other humans, but their own ability to direct machine intelligence effectively. The question is not who can code faster, but who can think more clearly, define problems more precisely, and verify solutions more rigorously than the AI systems they use. In summary, software development is shifting from construction to orchestration, from typing to verifying, and from execution to oversight. The winners in this new era will not be those who abandon fundamentals, but those who evolve them, balancing AI acceleration with deep technical understanding and disciplined validation. If you're adapting to AI-driven development, subscribe for more deep dives into the future of coding, system design, and real-world AI workflows.